Hi, my name is Shari. In this presentation, I will talk about Soursop, but what it is, its characteristics, and its origin, and the properties that help the human body, except types because there are no specific types. It is a fleshy, dark green fruit covered with flexible tubercles with the appearance of thorns. Avoid ellipsoid 20 to 25 cm long with 10 to 12 cm in diameter, with a color white pulp and juice. Scientific name Annona moricata belongs to the Annonaceae family. It is a plant native to Mesoamerica and is cultivated mainly in the tropics of America, Africa and Pacific Islands. Etymology Annona from the Haitian vernacular name of the species, moricata, from the Latin moricatas which means roll and which many points like its fruit. There is no botanical description of orchids. However, farmers in the different zones make selection of the best trees according to the quality of fruit. Benefits: if you drink Soursop water, you have energy to drink the day. If you eat Soursop, you provide your body with vitamin B. Remember to drink Soursop as you wish to strengthen your immune system. If you have the flu, you eat a piece of Soursop to cure yourself. If you have a fever, cold, vomiting, or diarrhea, you eat Soursop. Precaution: I regularly inform you don't know eat Soursop when you are pregnant. If you have hypertension, do not consume Soursop because it can reduce blood pressure. Stop to eat Soursop when have diabetes. My experience eating Soursop. Eating Soursop often means have energy. I love eating Soursop for the day. I enjoy drinking Soursop water. I will never forget eating Soursop complete for the first time. To conclude, I can say that Soursop helps a lot of human health because it provides conditions that make your body stronger or protect its health from certain elements such as the flu. Thank you.